Yeah, we are all stuck at home and you are bored, right? Just check out a video made on how to not get bored at home. Now let's continue this video. Yeah, we are all stuck at home and some companies introduced work from home strategy, which is one of the way to escape boredom. But here you go. How to know how to work from home more efficiently and work from home tips. So now let's get started with our intro. Hi guys, this is Shasha Sai from Intech English. I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and activate the bell icon for more interesting updates. If you did that, so let's get started. It will be great if you create regular working hours while at home. It becomes a habit, and with that, your work doesn't become a burden to you. After 2 to 3 days, it will automatically become a habit to you and make your work more easier than ever and ever. One thing, don't forget to boost your speed by listening to music. You can use mobile apps like Spotify, Ghana, or Wink Music to listen to music, and for desktop, iMusic and Spotify are the best. Let me tell you a shocking real fact. During World War II, the BBC broadcasted upbeat music in factories twice a day to see if that might step out the pace of work and get the military what they needed. It worked. Yeah, it worked. One report stated that the output at the factory increased by 12, that is 5 to 15%, and playing the right music in the office motivates staff. You can find playlists on work on Spotify. It's mainly useful for people who have children at home and they come in front of the webcam and your colleagues think, what the hell happening? So to get out of that, you need this tip working. Take a paper and write your working hours and write do not disturb me. This definitely helps you, I bet you. This tip make you feel calm and peaceful, get out of the stress and many more. Your eyes get tired for sitting hours and hours in front of computer screen. Take breaks like go and water your garden or play with your pets or children if you have, and do what makes you feel more happy and anti-stressfully. Eat fruits which give you resistance power for defending yourself from the pandemic coronavirus. Eat non-veg as well as vegetables. You are the most important person for your beloved ones. Don't lose your life. Stay home, stay safe. It's always a good habit to check everything like your internet speed, internet connection, and all the cables connected to your PC. Check if your keyboard is working well or the mouse or scanner, whatever connected to your PC. It's always a good habit. Your data and your company's data must be kept secret. Nowadays, as everyone are at home, cyber attacks become more and more than you think. Be careful. Use VPN services. I made a separate video on how to not get hacked by hackers. You can check that out in the video description below. It would be great if you work in a separate room, which has no disturbance and keeps you calm. This make you work more easy and increase your attention power because there will be none distractions around you.